How to fix Play Store unable to verify app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can fix if your Play Store says unable to verify app. Let's just get started. First thing first, you want to go ahead and check your internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. Then once you have done that, you can clear your Play Store's cache. Long press on Play Store, tap on the I button. Now from here, go over to storage down below. Tap on clear cache at the bottom. Once you've done that, do the same for Google Play services as well. So for that, go to settings and find your apps. Simply search for Google Play services. Tap on it. Go to storage. Tap on clear cache at the bottom. Once that is done, what you can do next is sync your Google account again. So for that, you're going to have to remove your Google account and then add it back again. This will reset your app verification tokens. Once that is done, you need to make sure that your Play Store is up to date. Go over to Play Store, tap on your profile, go to settings, tap on about, and tap on update Play Store at the bottom. If it says the Play Store is up to date, you'll be good to go. Now what you need to do next is turn on Play Protect. So go over to Play Protect certifications here. Make sure that you've enabled Play Protect. For that, you can go to General and then find Play Protect here. If you don't see it, go to Network Preferences. Just go ahead and tap on Play Protect right here and make sure that it is enabled. So that's basically it, guys. That was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.